All right, everyone. Happy Monday. Welcome to IT Evolution. We are going to take apart this PlayStation and um, we are going to clean it because it's overheating. So let's see. All right. Then normally to remove it, there's a couple clips that lift here and then go down. So you lift the corner and then pull it down that way. And we have the first one up. See all the dust in there. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna remove the fan. So right now, to remove this clip is by pulling up. There's some clips that hold it in together. Alright, so we have this fan. We're gonna remove it, but it comes out from the other side. So again, we lift the little cap up and then pull down. So these holes will hold it in here, and these are the ones, the clips, like they go in here. So that's why you lift the corner and you pull it down to remove it. Okay, so we have that one. Now we're gonna have to remove this other clip by just lifting right here. There. And now since we have a bunch of screws, we have to find the right size. So we can and if you have a drill with the right bit, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to remove the screws. We have that one. We lift this little tab plastic cover to unplug it, and then we keep our screws all together, just like so. I'm gonna keep it with the fan, just like that. And then as you can see, it's a lot of dust in there. So we're gonna clean all that.